I'm an actor. I'm not a director. What should I do? I don't have the money. I see no way out. These are the words of the man who made India laugh, who is now behind bars. From Bhool Bhulaiya to Hangama to Dhol, Rajpal Yadav. Numerous movies under his belt. Famous across India, no controversies. But he is now serving time in Tihar jail. The news shocked the internet. But what is behind this? How does a beloved talented actor go from film sets to jail cell? This isn't a sudden fall. This is a story that began 16 years ago, and it all started with a dream. Back in 2010, Rajpal Yadav decided to take a big step. He didn't just want to act, he also wanted to direct. For his directorial debut, Ata Pata Lapata, he borrowed around 5 crore rupees. It was a risky investment, and it turned out to be a gamble, which buried him today. The film flopped, the money didn't come back, and the loan, it stayed. With interest, with penalties, and with passing time, that 5 crore rupees slowly grew to nearly 9 crore. To settle the dues, Rajpal Yadav issued several checks, but those checks bounced. And in India, a bounced check isn't just embarrassing. It's a criminal offense under the Negotiable Instruments Act. That's when this stopped being a business setback and became a legal battle. In 2018, a magisterial court convicted Rajpal Yadav and his wife in multiple check bounce cases, 6 months in jail. In 2019, a Sessions Court upheld that conviction. The matter then reached the Delhi High Court, and here is where the story takes a serious turn. Over the years, the Delhi High Court gave him chances. Not once, not twice, but multiple extensions. He was allowed to repay in installments. He made partial payments. He gave assurances. Promises were made, but schedules were not honored. In 7 different cases, he was required to pay rupees 1.35 crore each. In October 2025, 2 demand drafts of 75 lakh were deposited, but the court noted that nearly 9 crore rupees was still unpaid. In June 2024, the High Court even suspended his conviction on one condition, that he must take sincere and genuine measures to settle the case. But the court later said that those efforts did not show meaningful results. Then came February 2026. On February 2, the Delhi High Court gave a clear order. Surrender before jail authorities by 4 p.m. on February 4. The court said his repeated breaches of undertakings could not be ignored, but he didn't surrender on time. His lawyer made a mercy plea, said he was arranging funds, said he reached Delhi at 5 p.m. The court was not convinced. Justice Sharma made it crystal clear. The judiciary cannot create special circumstances for someone just because they belong to the film industry. Leniency cannot continue endlessly when there is repeated non-compliance. Compassion must be balanced with discipline. Powerful words. On February 5, 2026, Rajpal Yadav appeared in court. His lawyer said he was ready with another 25 lakh demand draft. He made a fresh payment plan, but the judge refused to recall the surrender order. And later that day, Rajpal Yadav walked into Tihar jail. 6 months, no more extensions, no more delays. Standard procedures were followed. The comedian who once ruled comic scenes is now serving a sentence. Earlier, speaking to Bollywood Hangama, Rajpal Yadav had sounded helpless and admitted he didn't receive much support from his colleagues. Everyone is on their own, he said. And here is something that makes this situation even more emotional. Back in 2012, during the music launch of Ata Pata Lapata, Amitabh Bachchan had praised him, called himself fortunate to work with Rajpal, acknowledged his struggle and respected his dedication. That very film, born out of ambition and belief, has now become the center of a 16-year-long legal storm. This wasn't overnight. This wasn't sudden. This was years of unpaid dues, years of court hearings, years of extensions, and repeated failures to comply. In the end, the court made one thing clear: celebrity status does not mean special treatment, whether actor or common citizen. The law applies equally. And today, Rajpal Yadav is serving his sentence. From applause to accountability, that's the murky tale that describes how financial indiscipline or fraud can lead you in trouble. In this case, the man who made the entire generation laugh is in his dark phase, and his story is far from funny.